Hello guys and welcome to How to Guide. In this tutorial, we're going to look at how to use the CapCut 3D Zoom. Now let's begin. Let's open CapCut on your mobile device. Let's start a new project. Select any photo of your choice. And let's add it to the project. Now that the photo has successfully been added to the timeline in the project, let's click on the photo that is on the timeline. And on the bottom of the screen, you will see many options such as split, animations, style, delete, remove busy and others. Let's simply click on the style button. Now there are lots of trending styles here. Now let us scroll over and search for 3D Zoom Pro. Let's click on it. If you do not find the 3D Zoom Pro, let's scroll over to the Motion tab. And you can find it here and select it and simply click on the tick button that you will find on the bottom right. Now let's look at the video. And there you have it guys. That's how you use the CapCut 3D Zoom. Hope you guys liked this video. And for any queries, do comment below. Thanks for tuning in. We appreciate your time. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe, hit the bell icon for notifications and stay tuned for more exciting content coming your way. Your support fuels us. Until next time.